just sneeze, me a squeeze.
Oh, dear mommy, everything good, man. You alright? Just make sure you enjoy today, you know. Okay, you know it's a special day for a special woman like you. My queen. Yeah, I want you. Hold on, mommy. Let me call you back real quick. Alright, enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah. What to you?
Banana, mother.
You know, dog?
Mother, God.
I think the whole of the mother there, yeah?
I don't know, she run well left me from shop. About 5,000 with the other day.
Yeah, man, she probably have a whole heap of deal with that, cause enough of me, you know.
I don't know where she there.
Yo, if you only know my you, growing up with your mother, dog, you see the love what she have for you, dog. You come like, she have a superhero, you know them way there?
Fool. You don't need your mother.
What make you that say that, dog?
Oh God, fire. Don't say that. Don't say that. Aya, don't say that.
And just because of today I talk about you, miss her now, you know.
That's why you're hard cold?
Probably true, my thank you. Come out of your feelings, man. And everybody deserve one.
Yo, I miss my mother too, dog. Jamaica she there, you know. We keep in touch every day still, as much as we can.
Me don't need her. Look how fine me turn out.
Must all welcome the love of a mother, Aya.
I chew in our Rasta.
She good where she there. Me no need for meet her.
Don't say nothing bad about I, mother.
True, yeah. Woman probably not care about with her. They even know you exist.
Man, no beat the love of a mother, dog. I ain't not gonna know, cause you wrote still, is it?
Yo, she good without with dog. Me I tell her that. She good without with.
Hold on. You see how I talk about mother? I have something I want to show the island. I Empress of Breed.
Congratulations, Aya. What you say, you breed the Empress?
Yes, Aya, that's you.
Alright. Yo, my proud of you, G. I'm proud of you. But hold on there. Fool. Huh?
Hold on. You want them know or something?
I know you me see with the Empress there the other day.
Nah.
No, I could have seen you. Hold on, let me go for my phone. Oh, that, go she look. Remember you beg me take a picture with her if you post on the gram. I think you never post it. And I like this, me G. Let me see it. I see that now.
Empress, come here.
Oh, shit.
Hello, everybody. I'm Empress. Nice to meet you.
You look like her.
No, I don't think you know me.
You know him?
Baby, we can talk about this when we get back to the house.
Blood clot. See there? I see me tell her, man.
Wait, too much of my word, I am. Slow it down, hold on, who not say to I?
Aya, listen, Aya. She never tell I.
Dada. So the Empress not liar? Baby, calm down, baby. It's not what you think. The Empress have around I back and do funny things? We had sex just one time.
Fire, you sure you them that?
Empress! So who are you and the Empress? I think he's a father too.
Calm down, Aya, listen.
Aya!
Me blood clot, you not kill him now. He dead. Rasta.
Oh my God,
Charles, help him, man, no? Me don't want to go to jail. Wake him up.
Empress help the man, you know, see man faint.
let him stay there a little minute. I'll soon come back.
Bitch.
Hi. What's your name?
Yo, ma, what up? 2 hours for kiss up, 2 hours for go.
Don't mind this. I'll push them out in a sec.
Fire, get up, fire. Oh, you're up. You alright?
What one?
Jesus Christ, you're weaky. You want some tea?
I don't even know what to say. It just happened. Accidentally.
I wanna do the eye. Which one wanna lick me?
For me do something long time.
Hold on there, what eye last thing? I don't feel like you can push you over. Hold on.
You know, say me never violate a thing by you, and she see me and give me, you know. She see me and give me.
Hey, broke up that, you know. No man now fighting here, you know. Who no ballhead, batty boy. Fool. I Empress ever sleep with.
Can no boy kill along with my woman, so? Come fight me. Fire, bust the boy head. Fool. Chop him. Fire, fight me over woman, fire. Fire for me, you come from me now. We come out, I see your mother who.
Yo, what do? Yo.
Let me go, let me go. Like Chapas, let me go. Look, I'm going like a my partner. She fuck me. Yeah, brother, I go do that. Me don't fuck it already. Where I go do?
Jesus Christ.
Chapas, watch it.
Let him go. Stop biting. Let him go. Stop biting.
Oh shit. I turn back now. Red card. Legal pra minha antena. Legal. Fire. I need a breath of fresh air. I tell my heart a palpitate. I am sorry. I am a bit bigger person. I just think said fuck up how the item go on. I back and do them thing that fire with a family, you know.
Mate, you have to go figure out something, you know, cause pit me involved.
Trevor, stay out of this. This is grown roach talking. Fire. Take me apologies, in. The Empress them weak more while, you know, fire. I wish you accept my apology. I never mean to do it. With a man, so I know I forgive the eye, yes I? Shake eye hand. But you respect in eye. I forgive the eye.
John, I'm kind of glad to see man and work out them differences and can be cool together again. This is what the world needs.
Man can't bother every minute with the kiss and makeup every minute when you come in and talk about peace, love and unity. I want to know. Skull for boss. I take full responsibility for 500 of them. Fire, you know I love the Empress. It's just that. As for she, what you gonna do with her? Empress!
Come go in.
Sis, goodbye.
Bye. I'll call you.
Might have to go deal with her differently after this, you know. Hey, press, come go in the house.
Can I chat your phone?
Hey, I make sure I party ready when I come in there, no fire.
See me, I tell you. Can't trust her. I see anything she do.
I go talk it out to the Empress, right?
I'm going to Instagram go see who live. My God. Who knows something else in that? Call it one. I in love. Man, them look more. Bless I have a come on, look more, come smoke a herb with the eye. Yes, I am. Alright? Cool.
Since my work here is done, me I go downstairs.
500? Oh, what me I go do? Me a mad. I'm so mad, man. Jesus, me a mad.
Fresh. Some cool like icy, cool like breeze. Chain round my neck, make your girl start sneeze. Gucci cologne, make your girl strip tease. Yo, me clean like Lysol, fresh like Febreze. Fresh, who fresh with this? Swag too hard, yo, me make for this. Man cool, like 10 Guinness. Yo, me cologne a kick, yo, she can't resist. Fresh, who fresh with this? Swag too hard, yo, me make for this.